We are following breaking news just a short time ago. A fire on a metro train in Boston has people breaking windows to try and get out alive. Take a listen.
I'm going to open the door. Just calm down and open the door. Calm down.
You can hear the coughing there, and according to officials, there are significant delays on the Orange Line due to a disabled train at Bayback Station. That after an overhead motor overheated, filling the station with the smoke that you might be able to see. No injuries have been reported.